Hi everyone, it's Coach Nicole here, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to answer logical analysis. Paano nga ba natin papadaliin to? Just keep on watching, especially those who will be taking the civil service examination, okay? So this is already a part 2. Diniscuss ko na yung item number 1. Nandito na ako sa item number 2. So kung gusto nyo panoorin yon, you can check out Online Review Center PH. And before I show you the technique and strategy, feel free to pause the video, answer each item on your own so that it will serve as your practice test. While you're doing that, don't forget to like, follow, and share Online Review Center PH for more tutorial videos just like this. So let's start. Pag ganito, logical analysis tayo, I suggest you get a scratch paper because you will be needing that. And also, take the word one by one para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm, okay? So, bakit nyo kailangan ng scratch paper? Because you will be drawing it, okay? Or igagraph natin siya sa maiintindihan natin siya, okay? So, let's start. Ang pinag-uusapan dito is kung sino yung maputi at sino yung morena. So, we will write on the left side, tan, o yung mga dito, morena, and then dito is fair. Kasi igagraph natin siya. Now, kung ang sabi dito ay mas morena, so ilalagay natin siya sa mas malapit kay tan. Pag sinabi naman nating fair or mistisa, dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay? So, let's start. Sheena is fairer than Jane. Okay? Si Sheena daw ay mas fair compare kay Jane. So, therefore, ilalagay natin si Sheena sa mas malapit kay fair, tapos si Jane naman dito sa mas malapit kay tan. Okay? Kasi that's what the sentence says. So, we'll write here, Sheena. You can simply write S, pero kasi madaming Jane. So, let's write the whole name. Sheena is fairer. So, dapat dito si Jane. Kasi mas tan daw si Jane kesa kay Sheena. Okay? So, wag kayong magsasagad. Dapat may space pa din dito. Para kung mas may tan pa kay Jane, may malalagay tayo. Next. But not as fair as Corisa. Pag ganyan yung sentence, ibig sabihin, kanino kino-compare si Corisa? Kay Sheena pa din. So, Sheena is not as fair as Corisa. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi kasing puti ni Corisa. So, mas maputi pa rin si Corisa kesa kay Sheena. So, ito si fair. Ito si fair, so dapat mas malapit. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. So, we will write Corisa. Okay? Corisa. Next, object. Julian is fairer than Corisa. So, mas maputi daw si Julian kesa kay Corisa. So, dito, again, ito si fair, ito si Corisa. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay? So, we'll write Julian. Okay? Next, but Joanna, ayan, that's a new object, is tanner than Corisa. So, tanner daw si Joanna kay Corisa. So, saan natin siya lalagay? Dito ba? Let's continue reading the sentence kasi baka mas tan pa siya kay Sheena o kaya kay Jane. Corisa, but Joanna is tanner than Corisa. So, ito si tan. So, dapat dito natin siya ilalagay, pa left side. But fairer than Sheena. Okay? So, now, paano natin yun ilalagay? Ito si Corisa, dito siya. So, pa left side siya. Si Sheena naman ay mas fair daw. So, dapat pa right side siya. So, therefore, we can say that Joanna is in the middle. So, we'll write Joanna in the middle of Sheena and Corisa. Okay? Next. Now, if you're done graphing the sentences, you can now eliminate options. Paano yon? Tingnan nyo yung paragraph kung tama yung option. Pag tama yung sinasabi niya, then that's the correct answer. Corina is tanner. Corisa is tanner than Sheena. Ito si Corisa. Eto si Sheena. Mas tan daw ba si Corisa? Hindi. Mas maputi siya. So, therefore, letter A is not the correct answer. Number 2, letter B. Jane is the fairest. Ito yung fair. So, dapat nandito nakasulat si Jane, pero nandito siya malapit sa tan. So, therefore, si Jane yung pinakatan, and that's not the correct option. Next, Julian is fairer than Corisa. Julian is fairer than Corisa. Tama. But tanner than Sheena. So, si Julian daw ay mas tanner kesa kay Sheena. So, eto si Sheena, mas malapit siya sa tan. So, therefore, this one is also wrong. Kasi dapat, nandito si Julian. Okay? So, again, this option letter C is wrong. Next, letter D. Corisa is fairer than Joanna and Jane. Ito si Corisa, ito si Joanna, at ito si Jane. Ang sabi dyan, fairer. So, mas maputi daw si Corisa kesa kay Joanna at kay Jane. So, that's correct. We can obviously say that letter D is the correct answer. Okay? So, I hope na tulungan ko kayo. Basta lagi niyong tatandaan, you will need a scratch paper for logical analysis. Okay? So, let's see if you got my discussion by answering number 3. You answer this one and share your answer in the comments. Tingnan natin kung makukuha nyo yung sagot. Okay? Thank you everyone and happy learning!